split stance, so he's not going to feel like he's falling off the table. All right. This allows me now to palpate the segment and just push it back onto my fingertips to find my area of pain. Okay. He's indicating that that's the spot, so I then come slightly underneath with my elbow nice and high, like so. From here, I'm standing off the guy. Yeah. Contact onto the top elbow, and I'm going to compress the elbow down to try and make sure we have no slack. Work with his breathing as he's off my hand, it's comfortable. Breathe in. As he breathes out, compression, follow down, over, and we've got about 4 or 5.